Thank you for buying this 19695 condiment organizer from Fixture Displays. This item is constructed from steel wire, then plate coated or electroplated a chrome silver color. It's very sturdy construction. It will last for years to come. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. There are several compartments on this organizer, and you can, based on these dimensions, to position your sauces, your shakers, and condiments accordingly. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other business and consumer products we have to offer. This is right about 8 inches by 8 inches, and height is 2.8 inches. Each compartment measurements are provided in product listing as well, and this gives you a little better visual. I hope you enjoyed this product in this video. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.